Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi, my name is Adam Stern. I'm president of Own America, and I'll be your host of the REI Classroom for today. Own America is, of course, the premier online trading platform for SFR portfolios. I previously talked about a $1 trillion consolidation that's going on in the single-family rental market and kind of outline what that consolidation is going to look like over the next 10 years. What I want to talk about right now is the role that all of you out there in the FlipNerd universe can play in this massive consolidation that's taking place.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by theinvestormachine.com. FlipNerd's private investor coaching program and your blueprint to investing success.
As I said, the size of the single-family rental market is larger than every other core commercial asset class, save for multifamily, and less than 1% of the SFR market is owned by institutions today, as opposed to, let's say, multifamily that's owned by 55%. That 55% of it is owned by institutional investors. So what I wanted to highlight is the fact that consolidation, the role of the small investor that buys one at a time, at auction or on the MLS, renovates it and tenants it himself, and sells to a larger investor is part of the consolidation. The investor that buys one property at a time and builds a portfolio of 4 or 5 in order to sell it to a medium-sized investor that owns 20 is part of the consolidation. 20 medium-sized owner that sells to the large owner that owns hundreds is part of this trend. And of course, then the larger investor that sells to institutions is also part of this trend. And there's a role that every fish, and I always think about it in terms of the largest fish, eating the large fish, eating the medium-sized fish, eating the tiny fish, can play, because there is a massive amount of money that is going to be made during this consolidation by players all along the continuum, whether it's making money by doing acquisition services, whether it's buying and reselling houses to larger funds, whether it's offering property management services or renovation services. There's all types of ways that people are going to monetize this consolidation. And I'll highlight the fact that, over the next 10 years, if institutional ownership ends up landing even short of what multifamily is right now at 55%, it's $1 trillion of assets that are going to be bought up from large to medium to small. And that's a whole lot of money that's going to be made by providers in this space. If you think about acquisition fees alone, if you earn 2% on that $1 trillion, it's $20 billion that are going to be earned by brokers and other people that aid in the acquisition of these properties. So that, the problem that is being solved right now to aid this consolidation is institutional buyers need stabilized portfolio deal flow, right? Portfolio sellers need an efficient exit. So the objective here by all the people that, buy and own and renovate and sell rental homes is, providing that stabilized deal flow for the larger players and creating an efficient exit for themselves. If you look at the amounts of sellers and owners there are out there, the segmentation is really amazing. The largest part of this marketplace includes about 8.6 million investors that own 8.6 million homes, people that own one. The smaller investors that own between 2 and 5, you see that it's about 2.2. But all the rest that are larger portfolio owners comprise only about 262,000 owners that own these thousands and thousands of properties. So the way I see this consolidation going is the largest investors are going to buy from the largest owners, and the largest owners are going to buy from the smaller owners, and the smaller owners are going to buy from the smallest owners. And again, whatever service you offer, figuring out how to monetize this consolidation that's going on is going to be the key to capitalizing on it. We do it in a way where, we allow portfolio owners to match with portfolio buyers via our technology platform. And you can do it in however way you see fit, however you run your business. But my point is the idea of doing this and not playing small is an important one. And what I'll do is I'll make a book recommendation for you. It's a book that we read here at Own America. It helped us out a lot. It helped us have a view of the market where it helped us not to want to play small, but play bigger. And that's actually the name of the book. It's called Play Bigger. It talks about creating uncontested market space for yourself and dominating categories by looking at what part of a larger trend you can find a place in and you can dominate. So if you want to go on Amazon.com, look up Play Bigger. It's a really good read, pretty short.
Are you looking to change your life through real estate investing? If you're interested in either getting started or taking your business to the next level, please check out FlipNerd's private program at theinvestormachine.com. This is the most robust real estate investor coaching, networking, and mastermind on the planet and designed for your success. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves, ready to take personal responsibility for your own success, and ready to dive into a world-class instructional coaching program that provides you step-by-step instruction to help you achieve financial freedom, then you should apply today. Spaces are limited and candidates are only considered after an application and interview process. Our 12-month investor program is unparalleled. Think you might be a fit? Learn more today at theinvestormachine.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at FlipNerd.com/shows or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes Store.